I want to do a quick review on a product that I'm trying for the first time. This is on the Hiipoo Sublimation Ink. You can get this kit on Amazon for $24.99. It's going to come with 4 syringes, 4 needles, a pair of gloves, and then your 4 sublimation ink pigments. And I wanted to sublimate a puzzle using their product. And so I used ASUP paper, and then I actually subbed this picture. It's actually back in the plastic covering so that I don't mess up my puzzle. But the colors came out absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys can see that really well without the glare. Let me see if I come back some. There we go. But this is using Hiipoo Sublimation Ink. You can get it on Amazon for $24.99. This is a sublimation blank puzzle. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let me see if I pop it out of here, if the glare doesn't show up as much. I just don't want to ruin my puzzle. So here we go. I'm going to take it out of there so you can see. So that's it, using the Hiipoo Sublimation Ink. The colors are very vibrant. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. Turned out beautiful. Hiipoo Sublimation Ink on Amazon, $24.99. Check them out.